Hello, children. Today we are going to discuss our English subject, Quarter 1, Module 2, identifying the English equivalent of words in the mother tongue or in Filipino. This module provides you with activities that will help you learn about using words that are related to self, family, school, community, and concepts. Activities in this module will also teach you how to relate them to name of shapes and numbers in both mother tongue and English. At the end of this module, you are expected to understand words related to self, family, school, community, and concepts. Number 2, use these words correctly. And number 3, relate them to name of shapes and numbers in both mother tongue and English. What I know. What should you should know? Read the sentences below. Number 1, I own a bag. Number 2, my sister washes 5 plates. Number 3, we have a round table. Number 4, atin kong bag. Number 5, iatsi ko minus yang 5 pinggan. 6, atin kaming mabilog a la mesa. Sentences number 1, 2, 3 are in English and they have words related to family members and shape. Sentences number 4, 5, 6 are their translations in Kapampangan. So since our mother tongue is Sinugbuanong Binisaya, mauna ang atuang i-translate karon gikan sa English padulong sa mother tongue. Sunod, read and analyze the table. I like mango. I have a cat. The sentences talk about oneself. They contain words referring to a fruit and an animal. Next, my father has 2 brooms. My mother has 3 cats. The sentences are about family members. They contain words to count nouns like 2 or 3. Next, we have a rectangular table in the library. The board is square. The sentences are about school. They have words referring to shapes such as square, rectangle, or rectangular. Next, my friends are kind. Our house is clean. The sentences show good qualities of a community such as kind and clean. Languages like Kapampangan and English or our mother tongue in Sinigbuanong Binisaya are used for communication. There will be successful communication between and among people if they use words properly. Read and understand the words below. These are the English words and the Filipino translation. Head. In Filipino, ulo. Nose. In Filipino, ilong. Father. In Filipino, ama. Mother. In Filipino, ina. Red. In Filipino, pula. Road. In Filipino, kalye o daan. Street. In Filipino, kanto. How do you feel after reading the given words? Ayaw isulat inyong answer diri ha, isulti lang. Have you used those words in your mother tongue? Cite other examples of English words and their Filipino word translation. Have you used these words in your mother tongue? Cite situations when you have used these words. Is it good or helpful to know some words in English and Filipino? Why or why not? Lesson 1. This is now our lesson. Identifying the English equivalent of words in the mother tongue or in Filipino. Identifying the English equivalent of words in the mother tongue or in Filipino helps you to become more knowledgeable about the English and Filipino language as well as your mother tongue. The lessons here will guide you in speaking and writing using the languages you know. What's in? Remember this. Languages like Filipino and English are used for communication. There will be successful communication between and among people if they use words properly. What's new? Read the words related to self, school, community, and concepts, such as the names of or for shapes and numbers. Write their equivalent in your mother tongue. Do the activity on a sheet. So do not get a paper, just write your answer here. Heart. Unsa man na sa mother tongue, sulat diri imong tubag. Grandmother. Father. 11. Policeman. So write your answer here. What is it? Study the pictures below. Write the word for it in English on the first line and a word in your mother tongue on the second line. Write your answers on a sheet or just write your answer here. Okay, first picture. What is the name of this in English? Correct, hand. So you write here, hand. What is a hand in mother tongue? Sa man na siya sa Bisaya? Kamot. So, sulat ni mo diri kamot. Okay? Sunod. Next picture. Number 3, 4, and 5. So, write your answers here. Are you now familiar with the words that are related to self, family, school, community, and concepts such as the names for shapes and numbers in both mother tongue and English? Then let's move on. Guided Activity 1. The underlined words are related to self, family, school, community, and concepts such as the names for shapes. Write their equivalent terms in your mother tongue. So, these are the sentences and unsay translation niya diri sa mother tongue. Kanang adunay mga badlis nga pulong diha, mauna ang imong i-translate sa mother tongue. Number 1, I love my loving parents. Unsa man ang gibadlisan ng mga pulong? Loving parents. Unsa na siya sa mother tongue? Loving parents in mother tongue, mahigugmaong ginikanan. Susulat nimo diha. Number 2, you answer. Number 3, number 4, and number 5. Guided Assessment 1. Looking at your answers in Guided Activity 1, here, your answer here, copy the sentences about family on paper 1. The sentences about numbers and shapes on paper 2. The sentence about community on paper 3. So, unsa man diri nga sentence ang naghisgot og pamilya. So, isulat nimo to diri. Nya, diri pod ang sentence nga naghisgot og number og shape. Nya, diri about sa imong komunidad. Okay, isulat ang imong tubag. You write your answers. Guided activity 2. Write the words that are related to self in the circle, words about family in the square, the words about school in the rectangle, and the words about the community in the oblong. In the circle, about yourself. In the square, about your family. In the rectangle, about your school. And in the oblong, about the community. Example, my black hair. Where are we going to put that? What is it about? It is about self. So you write here in the circle, my black hair. Okay? Next, loving mother, helpful captain, stoplights, friendly classmates, my strong feet, sweet sister, clean armchairs. So you answer now. Guided assessment 2. Use words that are related to self, family, school, community, and concepts, such as the names for shapes and numbers in both mother tongue and English. To complete the sentences below, choose from the words inside the box. Write your answers on a sheet of paper or in your note. So just write it here. Okay, look at the picture, the sentence. Here in the blank, you choose your answer inside the box. And what is the translation of that word in mother tongue? Okay? We have blank in our front yard. So what do you call this? Wooden table, 2 coconuts, obedient officers, my grandparents, 4 trees, 3 baskets. What is your answer? You write it here. So, this is 4 trees. So, unsa man na sa mother tongue ang 4 trees? Upat ka kahoy. Okay? Answer now. Answer number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Independent activity 1. Read the dialogue and answer the questions that follow. Write your answers here. So you read the dialogue and then you write your answers here in the questions. After each questions here in the blank. Okay? So this is about Miss Flores talking to Mang Simon about Kiko's performance in school. Okay, you answer it now. Next, independent assessment 1. From the dialogue above, here, choose 5 words that are related to self, family, school, and community. Write their equivalent term or word in your own mother tongue. Then write your answers here. Choose a 5 words. 5 words only. Okay, 5 words about self, family, school, and community. Gikan diri, mamili ka. Isulat nimo sila tong 5. And then, after writing here in number 1 to 5, you write the equivalent translation in mother tongue. Okay, example. Let's find words. Example, read. So you write it here, read. Unsa man sa Bisaya ng read? Basa. Okay, so you answer now. Independent activity 2. Read the given situation. Try to understand each reminder. Okay? The mayor in your city gives reminders about how to throw your garbage properly. Here are the things to do. Number 1, separate biodegradable or nabubulok from non-biodegradable or di nabubulok. Put a green container for the biodegradable and black for the non-biodegradable. Have another container for the recyclable o mga pwede pang magamit. Number 4, clean your house as well as your backyards. Number 5, cooperate with your garbage collector. Copy the reminders on a sheet of paper and circle the word in each sentence and write its equivalent word in your mother tongue. So, diri lang mo magsulat ha. Sige. Copy the reminders. These reminders. Ay, ganito na lang. Ayaw na lang kopya ha. Since you will and insert circle a word, ayaw na lang lingini. Magpili na lang ka og 5 ka pulong. Number 1, isa, pili ka dihag isa. Number 2, pili pud kag isa. Number 3, 4, ug 5. Isulat nimo diri ang imong tubag. Pagkahuman, write its equivalent word in your mother tongue. Okay. Example, green. Green. Unsa si ang iyahang katumba sa mother tongue? Lunhaw. Okay, green, lunhaw. Okay, nasabtan. So you answer now 2, 3, 4, and 5. Independent assessment 2. Give 3 words related to self, family, school, community, and concepts. Write the sentences in your mother tongue using those words. Okay, self, family, school, community, and concept. So, answer na. So, what I have learned. Words that are related to self, family, school, community, and concepts such as the names for shapes and numbers in mother tongue, Filipino, and English are used to write and say your ideas. Having a wide vocabulary in English, Filipino, and mother tongue will make you a good writer and a good speaker. Why it is important to learn about words related to self, family, school, community, and concepts in the different languages. It is important to learn about words that are related to self, family, school, community, and concepts in your mother tongue, Filipino, and English in order to be a good writer and a good speaker. What I can do. Interview a family member and ask him or her to give you example of words that are related to self, family, school, community, and concepts such as the names for shapes and numbers in both mother tongue and English. So, tulo lang. So, mag-interview ka og kauban nimo sa pamilya, maghatag siya og English words, and then you write its translation in mother tongue. Okay? Answer now. Assessment. Make some drawings about your experiences as a grade 2 pupil and write words that are related to your family, school, and community, including yourself, in both English and mother tongue. Do this here. So you draw your experiences as a grade 2 pupil. Then you write here a simple sentence in English and then you translate it in mother tongue. Additional activities. Use words that are related to self, family, school, community, and concepts to name the pictures below. Write your answers here. So, this is the illustration. What can you say about the illustration? what is your answer in English word. And then your answer in English word, you write its translation in mother tongue. Okay? So answer 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Understand? So that's it. Thank you, children, for listening. God bless always. Bye.